부엉, 부엉. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's always good to see you guys here on my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play the game, and the game is Name That Animal. The game is called Name That Animal. So the rule of the game is I'm gonna say animal's sound. I'm gonna do the animal sound in a Korean pronunciation, and you guys have to guess which animal sound I'm making. Does it make sense? I hope it makes sense. For example, I say mong 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 mong, and this is the puppy's sound, like woof woof woof. You guys have to write the correct answer, and let's see if you are good or if you're bad at guessing Korean animal sound. Alright, first animal sound. Mong 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 mong. What animal sound am I making? Mong mong mong. Dog. Dog. Puppy puppy dog 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 dog. Okay, that's good. That's good. Getting harder and harder. Korean animal sound is very different from English animal sound, okay? So let's see. 자, second round. 야옹. 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 야옹, 야옹. What's the sound? Can you guys guess? Oh, cat. Oh, wow, cat. You're good. Owl, owl. we have a cat. Yeah, meow. Meow is also correct answer. No animal makes that sound. No animal makes that sound. Bird. My ex. Someone said my ex. Wow, your ex must have been so animal. Oh my god, I guess an owl. Owl is a good answer too. Yeah. My ex is so funny. So the correct answer is a cat. It makes this sound in Korea. Yaong, yaong, yaong. My ex is so funny. Wait. Wait. Oh, your ex made me so hot. Wait a second. Alright. I heard the cat making this sound. I'm gonna run so fast. The next one. Tick 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 tick. What sound is it? They got accents apparently. Yeah. Bird, bird, bird. No chicken. Chicken doesn't sound like cricket. How can you think about cricket? No chicken, bird, rooster, guinea pig, mice. Oh, mice sounds very similar. I will show you later. Mice sounds very similar. Tick 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 tick. What kind of animals does sound like this? Tick 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 tick. Oh, Clark. There was a bird. The correct answer is a bird. The correct answer is bird. Something annoying. Ivy did say something like, who said something annoying? Oh boy. It's a bird. It's a bird. 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 Piyak, 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 piyak. Korea appreciate the sound and the music. So we have each sound for each animal. Piyak, 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 piyak. Frog. Chicken. No frog, no frog, no frog. That's so funny. Let me read the comments. I have no clue. The fuck? Who said the fuck? Forever frog, no frog. Demon, no. Those are words. Goat, no goat. Human. Monkey, sheep, no, no, no. Chicken, no. What the fuck? Chan, hey. Who said Chan? The worse you guys play the game, more zoomed the camera lens is. So, because you guys are doing so bad, it's zoomed now. Correct answer is a baby chicken. Yak yak, yak 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 yak. I have zero idea. PewDiePie, who said PewDiePie? Why does a baby chicken have a different sound? Why? Yak 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 yak. I'm not sure if you guys can guess this one. This one is very very hard. 개굴, 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 개굴 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 words are the whole time. It sounded like a beep beep beep. Oh, frog, 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 turkey. So many people write the frog. Toad, jaguar, kangaroo. Does a kangaroo have a sound? Does a kangaroo have a sound? That's the devil. No. My boss. Can you say it again? 개굴, 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 개굴. Okay, the correct answer is frog. 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 Frog sounds like this. What do you mean? Let me prove it for you. 개굴, 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 개굴. Sounds very similar, right? 개굴, 개굴. My God, the sounds doesn't. It's not similar. No, some frogs go rap. Oh my God, the sounds is not same. Totally different sounds. Oh, you guys said ribbit, 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 ribbit. Someone said I failed in the elementary school. I failed in the elementary school in Korea. I failed in the elementary school is so funny. If you guys doing bad job, I'm gonna keep zooming my face, so it will be so uncomfortable for you guys to watch the video, okay? 부엉, 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 부엉. Cow? No. Pig? No, no. Snake? Hey, who said snake? Are you kidding me? Shark, monkey. Wow, you guys are doing so bad. Shark music in Jaws. No. Doo-dun, 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 doo-dun. This one? No. Owl. Ooh. But half of you guys failed, so the correct answer is owl. Owl, okay? Half of you guys failed, so this is the punishment. Okay? This one. Maybe this much. Yeah. This is the punishment, okay? You guys keep playing well, alright? Otherwise, my face will be so closed up. No way! You guys don't believe this is an owl sound. 부엉, 부엉. Let me prove it. You guys really don't believe me? 부엉, 부엉, 부엉. 부엉, 부엉. 부엉, 부엉. 부엉, 부엉. 부엉, 부엉. No, that doesn't sound the same. 부엉, 부엉. Owl sound. In English, you guys pronounce 후, 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 후. You don't know how to appreciate the sound. 부엉, 부엉, 부엉. I'm trying to convince us that sound hearing is bad. The next sound. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, you guys are doing good. No frog, no frog, no frog. Duck, 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 duck. You finally got one sound right.
That crazy Shikie. We have a new subscriber to our channel. Welcome and thank you for subscribing.
Thank you so much for subscribing. She so bad. Pig? Hey, how can you not? Cow? Bear? No, no bear, no bear. Turtle? Who said turtle? Listen carefully, my friends, okay? Gorilla, no gorilla. Wild pig. My friend, you are doing so bad. Punishment. Zoom. Super zoom. Your punishment is super zoom for 5 minutes, okay? Listen carefully, my friends. This is a lion. My friends, how can you not guess? Super annoying. This is a lion sound. Let me prove it. What animal goes often? What kind of a lion? Just lions in general. Lions in general. What the hell? Why you asking me what kind of animal? What kind of a lion? Lion sound. Hey, listen carefully, okay? 어흥, 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 어흥. I think that my animal sound is very not good. Super annoying. When you are actually bad at guessing the animal sound. That's a lion with a cold love. So everyone, this is the end of the game today. Thank you so much for joining, participating, name that animal game, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Did you guys have a good time? Did you guys laugh? Did you guys have a good time? Please tell me if you guys had a great time. Please tell me. Love it, you made my Sunday night so much fun. Wow, happy! I'm so happy. All right, so everyone, we will have to say goodbye here.